Hi there. This video is the continuation of Repair and Take Guide, and today we're going to discuss how to pick up a customer repair job through the point of sale module. Once the repair process is done and the item is ready for collection, the customer will receive the email notification or a text. Note that the item can be picked up only if the associated repair job has been completed and marked as pending customer pickup, pending customer shipment, or complete. Once your customer is ready to pick up the repair job, you can open the point of sale module. First, open your left navigation menu. Then click the Sale menu option. To submit the pickup order, press the Special or Pickup Order button. This will open a Select Special Order menu where you can locate the needed order. You can search by customer's name or sales number. Once you've found the order, click on it to open the order's contents. Note that if the order is ready for pickup, the column Ready will be populated. If the job status is not in a completed, pending customer pickup or pending customer shipment status, it will not be available for pickup yet. In order to change the status, simply click on the Current Status link, which will show you the service job details and allow you to update the status. To transfer the order from Ready state to Pickup state, locate the column Pickup and change the value to the amount of items you are picking up. Once done, press the OK button. Now we can see our pickup order in the card on the right. To proceed further, press the Checkout button. Every other step is exactly the same as submitting a regular POS sale. Note that you can add additional charges during this stage if needed. That's it for picking up the repair jobs through the POS. Thanks for watching.